You thought Samsung was done? Think again. Because what they just revealed with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 isn't just a flex. It's a full-blown power move. This isn't a phone upgrade. It's a reality shift. The Fold 7 makes everything before it look like a prototype. Forget the Fold 6. It's history. And in just a minute, I'm going to show you the feature that literally no one saw coming. Spoiler, your iPhone? Your Pixel? They're shaking right now. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is now the thinnest foldable ever built by Samsung. 9mm folded. Just 4.5mm when open. That's thinner than your laptop's USB-C cable. Holding it doesn't even feel like holding a phone, it's like holding a concept device from 2035. It's clean. It's seamless. It's so futuristic, you almost expect it to hover. But here's where it gets spicy. Samsung scrapped the under-display camera. Gone. No more ghost selfies. No more blurry video calls. Instead, the punch-hole camera is back, and it's not hiding. Samsung's not trying to be subtle anymore. They're saying, you want camera quality? We'll give it to you, front and center. And honestly, it works. Crystal clear selfies, sharper video, and none of that weird haze you got from the old UDC. Let's talk screens, because wow! The inner display is now a massive 8.2 inches. No notch. No nonsense. Just raw, cinematic real estate. And finally, the outer screen isn't narrow anymore. Typing feels normal. Scrolling? Smooth. Using it closed doesn't feel like a compromise. It feels like a flagship. This is the dual-form experience foldables have been chasing for years. Now, you ready for the real game changer? Qi 2 wireless charging. That's right, magnetic alignment is here. Snap-on accessories, perfect charging coils, zero fuss. We're talking up to 50W right now, but behind the scenes, Samsung's already testing 65W magnetic charging for future folds. This isn't just fast, it's next-gen fast. And under the hood, oh, it's stacked. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Lite, the same chip from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So whether you're gaming, editing, live streaming, or running Galaxy AI, you've got power for days. We're talking real-time background edits, object removal, and smart replies that finish your sentences like they read your mind. Cameras? Let's go. 200MP main sensor. Same pro-level lens from the S25 Ultra. Ultra-wide. Check. 30x space zoom? You better believe it. Whether you're capturing night skies, city streets, or zooming in on the moon, this phone's a filmmaker's dream. Color drops? Samsung's playing it sleek for now, blue shadow and jet black, clean, premium, ultra-modern. But if history repeats, you know a surprise limited white or matte silver is coming. And here's the kicker. No price hike. Still $1,999. In 2025? During inflation? That's actually kind of wild. Oh, and don't forget Galaxy Unpacked is happening July 9th in NYC. Expect the Z Flip 7, Watch 8, maybe even a surprise fan edition. Pre-reservations are live, zero money down, and you're instantly in for perks, $50 credit, and savings up to $150 just for signing up. Why wouldn't you? So let's wrap it up. The Fold 7 isn't just the best foldable right now. It's a shot across the industry's bow. Samsung saying, we're not waiting for Apple. We're not chasing trends. We're making them. And if you thought foldables were still niche, this one's about to change your mind. So let me ask you this. Is the Fold 7 finally the foldable worth switching for? Would you give up your slab phone for a device that folds like origami but works like a beast? Let's talk in the comments.